Okay, unboxing the Stores and Beckel Mighty. The size of the box is huge. Okay, so it looks like there's a lovely surprise in here. Hopefully it's a vaporizer. Ooh, good start. There's instructions. Always handy. Lots of different languages, so the nice people at Stores and Beckel are thinking about your language skills. If you want to learn Spanish or German, learn how to say grinder in German, you can do that, so that's wonderful. Okay, what else have we got? Easy Valve for making valves easy on different vaporizers. Looks great, very handy, I'm sure. We've got quick start manual, make things a bit easier for you. There's someone having a good time. Not really having a good time. You think they would look a little bit happier. Welcome to the family. The Stores and Beckel family. Which would be nice for anyone who buys a vaporizer and doesn't have a family. They could join the Stores and Beckel family. So there we go, that's nice. There's price list for the European Union. Keep that handy. Definitely don't throw that out. You're going to need this at some stage in your life. And then if you throw it out, where will you be? Okay, now the good stuff. Look at this baby. It's big, it's heavy, it's robust. It has the same little 45-degree angle mouthpiece thing as the Crafty. There's the Crafty box and the Mighty box, so you can see this guy is quite a bit bigger and has a display. Tells you temperature you're at, and you can adjust the temperatures. And see how quickly it's heating up? It's fantastic. Yeah, I was going to say something about getting hot quickly, but maybe not. Again, little interesting twisty things. Everyone likes to twist. And there we have a little well where we would put our dry herbs. Now, set that down. Oh, there we go. And what else do we have in our lovely box of tricks? Oh, there's a hairband. So the lovely people at Stores and Beckel thinking again, maybe you want to use your vaporizer, you've got long hair, your hair's getting in the bowl here. There's a hairband. Problem solved. Those Germans think of everything. What have we got? A grinder. Who doesn't enjoy a nice grind from time to time? Grind your dry herbs. And then, how do I get my grinded herbs in there without getting it all over the place? Oh no, that would not be terrible. Stores and Beckel have it covered. Again, they are thinking of you. So you open this wee guy, and you've got a little laddie buck here for putting just the right amount in if you only want a little bit of your dry herb. Whatever herb you like. There are many different herbs out there you may like to try. Little dosage guy here, but you've ground up your herbs. And your herbs are in here. Instead of throwing them all over the place like an idiot, you can put this guy on top of this and go burp and put it around, and then it's there. And then you can take this guy with that in there, out of the way, and off it comes. And that actually, nice twist again, because we all like to twist again, like we did last summer. Don't know if you remember that, we all had a great time. And you take this guy out, and then your dry herbs fall nicely into your little well, and everybody's happy, and there aren't little bits of stuff all over the place. And your friends will all think you're very stupid if that was the case, but now they all think you're a genius. And you put this guy back on, and you are ready to go. And then you can advertise to everyone around you just what temperature you like to vape your dry herbs at. just so you don't have to tell them. It'll be there for everyone to see. So that's wonderful. Again, they're quite artistic. The people at Stores and Bickle, they like to include a little brush for doing things. You can clean out this guy, just clean that all out. And you can flick out all your tiny little bits of leftover dry herb, your rosemary. Perhaps you're making a nice lamb dinner for your mothers coming around on Sunday, and you want to hold on to all your dry herbs. That's what this guy's for. So that is wonderful. Again, ooh, there's a surprise box. What could be in here? Wow. It's a plug and a charger. Amazing. Like, as I said, Stores and Bickle, German engineering, they think of everything. They didn't even forget to supply me with a power supply for my new vaporizer. So, even though the tone of my voice would suggest I am not really excited or pleased, I have to say I am completely ecstatic, over the moon with joy. Don't think I've ever been as happy.